Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A3 grille. First, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Before starting, make sure you have all your tools ready, including a T25 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Working on a clean, level surface will make the process much smoother and safer for you and your vehicle. Next, we'll remove the front bumper. Begin by locating and removing the screws in the wheel arches and along the top edge of the bumper, usually around 8 to 10 screws. Gently pull the bumper away from the fenders to release the clips. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors before fully detaching the bumper. With the bumper off, you can now access the grille. The old grille is typically held in place by several clips around its perimeter. Use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully release these clips one by one. Once all clips are disengaged, the old grille should pull straight out. Now, align your new grille and firmly press it into position until all clips engage securely. Now it's time to reassemble everything. First, reconnect any electrical wiring for your fog lights or sensors. Carefully align the bumper and push it back into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier in the wheel arches and along the top of the bumper. Finally, double-check all connections and the grilles fit for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.